Hello, this week was the Grace Hooper Day. So the 9th of December is the Grace birthday, and actually she's my favorite computer science pioneer, and actually it's the author of COBOL, and for me COBOL is how success looks like, that you run something that's still in use after 70 years, you shape completely the industry. So I hope that maybe in one day I will invent something similar that was the same as useful as COBOL actually. So what's make COBOL successful? First of all, it was the riot of people that wants to just solve the problem, the business problem. So COBOL is the common business language that give some mortal people that don't know the computer science, don't wear glasses and know anything about the algorithm, just in a plain English explain what they want from the computer. So even the COBOL program, it's just a document that contains all the divisions, sections, sentences, and words, and have a lot of keywords that just help to formulate something that will look like the plain English. So we will not go deeply to COBOL itself. Maybe it's topic of the different talk, but it was massively user focused, business people focused, and I guess it's one of the reasons why it was successful. Today we will talk about the legacy and how to work with the legacy projects, where the legacy came from, and what to do if you are working with the legacy. First of all, for me the legacy is the success, because if a software still run, it's making money and somebody pay you to support it, it's mean that the project was successful. It doesn't mean that maybe it's a masterpiece for sure, but I believe that it's better to have the shitty code that making money than the perfect Haskell code that make just you proud of yourself. So for me, the legacy is always the success. If it's ask different people about the legacy, we will get completely different definitions. So the junior developers will say you the legacy is the code that I haven't write, that I don't understand, let's throw it away and rewrite it with Haskell because it's cool, because it's fun, and I read some Haskell book on the weekend. Some other people will tell you that legacy is the code that have no unit test coverage. It's yet another common understanding. And most classical thing will say that legacy is a code that was written with the technologies and operation systems that not in use anymore. So all this make sense to me. But for me, every project it's potential legacy project, because in the moment when you start and make all your technical decisions in 1 year or something, it will be something different, and it will be something new, and maybe the architecture patterns will change and so on. So you potentially working with the legacy code all the time. So, and you create the legacy. So every legacy project at the beginning was new, cool, and modern project actually. So what's to do? Because I see that a lot of people do not want to work with the legacy code bases. First of all, it's more about the attitude. It's more about your commitment. So I believe that when I start working on any code base that was created before me, if I made the first commit, it's already my code base and my responsibility. So just be responsible, just accept that right now it's your baby and you should take care about this. So I usually use the mantra for the legacy code that, do something, expect nothing, and and blame nobody. So it's helped me to survive actually. So I see a lot of people that constantly complaining on the predecessors, but or have some unnormal expectations. So you just need to keep ball running, make things better. If you do something, really think if you make the code better or understanding of the code base by others, and you could modernize the legacy system. So I really recommend you to read the book Burn It With Fire. Yeah, that's quite fun name, but it's explained a lot how to work with the legacy, how to transform the legacy, how to make the legacy even more successful and prolong the time. So yet another quite good classics. It's called Working with the Legacy Code, but its main mantra of this book is just to cover everything that you have with the tests and move forward with the confidence. So I believe that every project is the legacy project in the future, and legacy actually is the successful projects because they survive. So, and yeah, be strong, be brave, subscribe to our channel, write the comments, share the most legacy code bases that you work with, and maybe some fun stories. Because for me, for example, in 2005 I was working with the large COBOL code bases, and we write the programs that allows to transform these large COBOL code bases to slightly more modern COBOL code bases. So I really touch with my hands some deep legacy. So I'm really proud of it. So share your story with me. I will be happy to hear from you. So subscribe, share, write in the comments, and have a nice day. See you.